A bright morning sky with a golden sun peeking over the hills. Birds flying across the pink-orange sunrise. A little house with a window glowing in the sunlight. Children looking out the window, smiling and waving at the sun. A cute cat stretching in the sunlight on the windowsill. Birds sitting on a tree branch singing happily. A butterfly flying near flowers below the window. A girl spinning around in the yard with arms open wide. A boy running through the grass with a colorful kite. Children dancing in a circle, holding hands. A rainbow forming in the sky. A small dog chasing butterflies around the yard. A family picnic under a big tree with sunlight streaming through leaves. Sun setting slowly with orange and purple skies. Stars start to twinkle as children wave goodnight to the sun.